Hello, my friend. I'm here at Lonna. Here is the Magnesia Festival upcoming Thursday and Friday. But I'm not here to talk about you for this. I might talk you about shadows. What is a shadow of a human? And there's a saying that from a shadow you can find gold. So it's really precious when you are able to go there, what you have been afraid to meet, what you do not know that you have, and what is that you are afraid of. Side note, behind you can see Helsinki skyline. But okay, how you can go to your shadow? There's actually some psychological works done to this. And Carl Jung has been one of those ones who has been talking about the shadows, mainly Carl Jung. And this is not precisely Carl Jung, which I'm going to say here, but what the shadow is, in my opinion, what I see it, is your self, and it is what you are not from the surface. You might see yourself as an iceberg, and like 10% of the iceberg is above the water and about 90% of it is below the water. And this 10% which is your surface self, other ones can see as well, and you can see it as well, but this rest of yourself, your persona, your identity you have is under the water. And this is what the shadow is, like another metaphor. It's like the below surface stuff. And the more you can bring this below the surface stuff to your consciousness by searching yourself, by knowing yourself, the more you are able to function as a human being, and more you are able to see yourself and be happy and joyful and purposeful and live a good life. What is like the ultimate purpose for some. For me, it's like increase life to life is my ultimate purpose. But how you can go to this shadow? You can, in my opinion, you can go to your shadow by being quiet, by listening yourself, and by not judging yourself, and by just feeling, naming and not naming, observing, and really asking questions also. And one thing you might do is that you might write that I am, and then maybe 6 to 10 things without judging, and then you can do that again and again and again, and then you might see what comes up, or you might ask that what I'm afraid of in myself, and then you can see things, and these things I'm afraid of, and then you will add these dots there, and then you are able to feel at what you are afraid of. I'm afraid of my personality, or I'm afraid of my laziness, or I'm afraid of that I'm not able to accomplish anything. And there you can kind of go deeper inside of you, feel yourself, feel the purpose, feel the shadow, and kind of from the fears, because in the shadows there's quite a lot of fears involved also. So perhaps this was useful. I might show you a little bit around. Now there's Sean, and soon I will jump to the boat, and there's Finnish fortress Suomenlinna behind me, and this is a pretty nice place. See you again, my friend.